Have you ever felt like wealth is out of reach? Do you ever look at wealthy individuals and feel as though they possess some secret ingredient you're missing? Perhaps you think they're lucky, connected, or born into wealth, while you're left struggling to make ends meet or even think about saving. The reality is, wealth is not exclusive to the privileged few. Most wealthy individuals weren't born with silver spoons in their mouths. Many started with very little, overcame adversity, and built their fortunes through a combination of smart habits, resilience, and long-term thinking. Wealth creation isn't a magical process reserved for the elite. It's a step-by-step journey that anyone can embark on. Whether you're working a minimum wage job, starting a small business, or simply looking for ways to better manage your money, this guide will equip you with practical strategies to take control of your financial future, debunking the myths surrounding wealth. The first step to building wealth is to challenge the myths that keep you from believing it's possible. Let's address and debunk some of the most common misconceptions. Myth 1: you need to inherit wealth. Contrary to popular belief, most wealthy people didn't inherit their money. Studies consistently show that self-made millionaires make up the majority of wealthy individuals. For example, a report by Fidelity Investments found that 88% of millionaires built their wealth from scratch. Self-made individuals like Oprah Winfrey and Elon Musk didn't start with wealth. They earned it through persistence, learning, and consistent effort. Myth 2: high income equals wealth. Many people assume that earning a high salary guarantees wealth, but this isn't true. Wealth depends on how much you save, invest, and grow your money, not just how much you earn. Take the example of two individuals. Person A earns $150,000 per year, but spends every penny on luxury items. Person B earns $50,000 per year, saves 20% of their income, and invests it wisely. Over time, Person B will accumulate far more wealth than Person A. Myth 3: building wealth requires luck. Luck might play a small role in certain opportunities, but it's not the defining factor. Successful people create their own luck through preparation, education, and hard work. Think of luck as a combination of preparation meeting opportunity. For instance, Jeff Bezos didn't become a billionaire by chance. He capitalized on the internet boom by taking a calculated risk to start Amazon. Takeaway: you don't need to be born rich, earn six figures, or rely on luck. Wealth building is a skill anyone can learn. The millionaire mindset: think like wealthy people. Wealth starts with how you think. The difference between struggling financially and thriving often comes down to mindset. Here are key beliefs and habits shared by wealthy people. 1. They believe in abundance. Wealthy people understand that there's enough success and resources to go around. Instead of viewing money as a scarce resource, they see it as something that can grow infinitely through creativity and effort. For example, entrepreneurs don't fear competition. They see it as a sign of opportunity. By focusing on providing unique value, they carve out their own niche in the market. 2. They value time. Over money, time is the most valuable resource for wealthy individuals. They know that while money can be earned, time can never be replaced. This is why they prioritize activities with long-term payoffs, such as building a business, investing, or learning new skills. Practical application: delegate tasks that don't require your unique skills. For example, hire someone to clean your house or handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on high-value activities. 3. They focus on continuous learning. Wealthy individuals never stop learning. They read books, take courses, and seek mentorship to stay ahead. Warren Buffett, for example, spends 80% of his day reading. How you can do this: set aside at least 30 minutes a day for self-education. Start with books like The Millionaire Next Door or Think and Grow Rich. Actionable steps to build wealth. From scratch mindset is important, but it's only part of the equation. To create wealth, you need to take consistent strategic action. Here's a detailed roadmap. Step 1. Track your finances. Before you can improve your finances, you need to understand them. Start by tracking every dollar you earn and spend. Tools to use: budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB. You need a budget or personal capital. Create a simple spreadsheet to record your income and expenses. Key insights. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending, e.g. subscriptions you don't use. Calculate your net worth, assets minus liabilities, and track it monthly. Step 2. Save first, spend later. Most people spend their money first and save what's left, if anything. Wealthy people do the opposite. They pay themselves first by saving a portion of their income before spending. How to start? Set up automatic transfers to a savings account as soon as you're paid. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, but start small if needed. Even 5% makes a difference. Step 3. Invest early, and often investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Simple investment strategies. Open a retirement account, e.g. RSP, 401k, or IRA, and contribute regularly. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs, which provide broad market exposure. Reinvest dividends to maximize growth. Step 4. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Wealthy people diversify their earnings by creating multiple income streams. Ideas for side income. Freelance in your area of expertise, e.g. writing, graphic design, or coding. Start a small e-commerce business on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Invest in rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Step 5. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. While some debt, mortgages or business loans, can help you build wealth, high-interest consumer debt, like credit card debt, can drain your finances. How to manage debt? Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Avoid taking on new debt for non-essential purchases. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Having an emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, without derailing your finances. How much to save? Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access. Networking, the hidden wealth builder. Building relationships is just as important as building savings. Your network can open doors to opportunities, mentorship, and collaborations. How to network effectively? Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups. Reach out to successful individuals for advice or mentorship. Join online communities and forums in your field of interest. The power of consistency. One of the most overlooked keys to wealth is consistency. It's not about making huge leaps. It's about taking small, steady steps every day. For example, saving $10 a day adds up to $3,650 a year. Investing $200 a month in an index fund with a 7% annual return can grow to over $240,000 in 30 years. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum leads to extraordinary results. Overcoming setbacks. Building wealth is not a linear journey. You'll face setbacks, failures, and unexpected challenges along the way. The key is to stay resilient and adapt. Tips for overcoming challenges. Focus on what you can control. Learn from your mistakes and adjust your strategy. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Final thoughts. Your journey to wealth starts now. Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky or the privileged. It's available to anyone willing to learn, grow, and take consistent action. By adopting the right mindset, creating a solid plan, and staying disciplined, you can achieve financial freedom. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the first step today, no matter how small, and trust that your efforts will compound over time. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who are also striving for financial success. Together, we can break the myths about wealth and inspire more people to achieve their dreams.